has, so me and Tessa are listening to Christmas music in October. We're on our way to the pumpkin patch because we're gonna find some pumpkins, and it's also a petting zoo. So we're gonna go pet some animals. It actually doesn't look that busy today, which is really nice.
It doesn't look busy at all.
Usually when you come here it's so packed, but today it looks empty. That's how they tell you how much your pumpkin is. That's so cool.
I'm most excited for the bunnies and the puppies.
I'm excited to pet those big cows that they have. Oh, they have donkeys over there, right?
Yep.
We're waiting for somebody to come and help us.
Hey, that'll do. No barking.
There's absolutely no one here. There was a huge school bus that just came here. Like, there's 2 school buses over there, but they just went out to go into the pumpkin patch, so.
Last time I was here, there was like a insane amount
I know.
of people here. But it's because it was a sunny day.
How does an animal even get this
just a
big?
chicken.
Like, you could fit like 10 people on top of him. I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
What, you didn't pet him?
No, he moved his head. Look how big his nose is.
Hi, mister. It's so dead here. I've never been here. It's dead.
There's absolutely no one here.
Usually all these hay things are
Yeah.
filled with kids petting bunnies. What are those? Oh, chicken?
Oh, there's little chicks. Good.
Where's my Look at him. Or her.
Aww.
No.
So cute.
Josh is scared of animals. And the
Should I
little
pick the
bunny.
big one up?
Look at the little bunny. He's scared of it.
What one did you pick up, this one?
Just the baby one. They only want to be held for a little bit, but you just pick them up. Just don't pick up the mother.
I was gonna pick up the big one. Look how cute it is.
He's the baby.
Aww. They're so warm. They're all brothers and sisters.
Little box.
Cute.
No,
Oh,
you're
he's gonna
making
rip
little
your
holes.
jacket.
You're making little holes.
Hey, what are you doing? You're the cutest. You're so cute. You just want to bite everything, don't you? You were biting my neck. You're so cute. Ow, he has my hair.
You know what? You're taken because you have a collar. Someone bought you, didn't they? Oh. You're perfect.
Gotcha. Oh, look, I got a little chicken. Mabel and Maud. Which one of you is Mabel? Cute. Look at this guy's face. You are the cutest bunny I've ever seen. I think he has like really bad anxiety or something. So that area over there is where like the smaller like animals like rabbits and little pigs and puppies and stuff is. And then over here is where all like the goats and like big turkeys and like stuff like that are. I always get so scared to like go inside these cages.
Why?
Cause like these things could actually hurt you.
Oh, they really hate it.
It's like my ears aren't supposed to go that way.
But it would look so funny. Do you have a limp?
Oh, he's got a limp.
Do you know how to walk?
Oh man, now do you feel bad that you're trying to mess around with the one that has a limp? Oh, look at it. Wow, this is kind of scary.
Hi. Oh, yes, a good goat. That's a good goat. Josh is too scared of them to bring the camera near. Let's bring them towards Joshua. Josh, they're coming for you. How dare nature. Hey.
Oh, they're going for a swim.
Oh, that's so cute. Only they can get in there. Goats are so weird. They all just like don't like us being here.
So since this place didn't have hot chocolate, we're gonna go and try to find some.
They all were searching for hot chocolate.
That looks so good. Tessa got fettuccine. And I got a chicken avocado wrap. They have these new shops that were just built over here that they sell mini donuts and fudge. I'm gonna get hit by a car. I'm gonna go check it out. What's this, a chocolate egg?
It's like a Kinder Surprise. Did you know that Kinder Surprises are illegal in the States? You know what's not illegal? Guns.
Yeah, that's
God
crazy.
forbid a Kinder Surprise.
We're on our way to have dinner with Tessa's brother and his wife. We're going to a really cool place called Oak and Thorn. And I think we're both pretty hungry, so we're pretty excited. The next couple days is supposed to be raining. And we're gonna go hiking on Sunday, but I don't think that's gonna be happening now.
You know what we should do instead?
What?
We should go to church and then we should go to an escape room with them.
We did one last, like, not too long ago, and we did horrible. There was like 4 rooms
so bad.
or 5 rooms or something like that, and we didn't even get through.
Well, there's minimum 4 rooms, but there could have been up to 12. And with 3 minutes left, we got into the second room.
And you're allowed like 3 hints or something. We used all 3 hints to get into the second room.
It was so bad.
It was
but
so bad.
We also picked the hardest one.
That's true. It's like, apparently it's super hard. So this is where we're meeting them. Hey!